Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. Today I'm going to be guiding you through an easy step-to-step process on how to fix Messenger delay issue. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Many people use Facebook Messenger to communicate with friends and family. Unfortunately, Messenger has a few glitches now and then. The delayed messages or missed notifications are two of the most common issues. To correct that, the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try turning on this flight mode by tapping it on, wait for a couple of seconds and turn it off back again. Now once you connect to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, you can now go to Facebook Messenger and try refreshing your conversation chat screen, and you might be able to solve the issue if it was network related. If that works for you, then that's great. If not, the next thing to do is to make sure to disable battery saver, data saver, and background restrictions. The next thing to do is to update your Messenger application to the latest version. Go to your Play Store and tap it open. In the search bar, type in Messenger and make your search. If you've not downloaded the application to the latest version, and if an update is available, you'll be able to see an update button popping up right next to Messenger app, right where you can see the open button right now. If you see an open button, that means you have the latest version of Messenger. You won't need to update your application for now. Go back to Messenger. If you need to update your application, tap on the update button, and once you download the latest version of Messenger, you might be able to fix the issue. If that still does not work, next thing to do is to remove Messenger's temporary data. To do that, you must go to your app drawer and spot Messenger application. Once you find it, press hold to the app and tap on App Info in the pop-up. Now, you'll be able to open App Info section, go to the storage button and tap it on from the App Info section, and now tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right and Clear Data at the bottom left. Remember that in order to proceed with clearing your data, you must know your Messenger credentials well, since you'll be deleting all the files, settings, accounts, databases from the application entirely. You'll need to log in back again in order to continue using Messenger. Tap on OK if you have all the credentials needed, and now go back to Messenger and see if that fixes your issue. Another thing to do is to enable Messenger notifications if you've not done that yet. Go to the settings button from your Android device and tap it on. From the settings menu, go to apps and give it a tap. Find Messenger from the list of the apps displayed on this page, give it a tap, and in the app info page, scroll down to notifications. If you've not allowed notifications for your Facebook Messenger, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Simply tap on the button right next to show notifications, and you can now choose what kind of notifications you are willing to allow. And now you can choose the notifications that you want to receive by simply toggling on the button. Once you have this option enabled, you might be able to solve your Messenger delay issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to use your Facebook Messenger to its fullest, since you are going through the delayed notifications issue. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.